In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand print costs on KDP, the Kindle Direct Publishing platform, which is an essential skill for any beginner looking to publish their work effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how the print costs are determined and how to incorporate them into your book's pricing strategy. Let's get started by navigating to the pricing section within KDP. Once you're logged into your KDP account and have selected the book you want to work with, you'll find the Pricing tab. This is where all the crucial information about your print costs can be found. It's an important first step because every decision you make from here on out will have a direct impact on how much it costs to produce your book, and consequently, your potential earnings. Next, let's take a closer look at the printing cost preview. This section provides you with an estimate of the production costs based on various elements of your book. It's a dynamic preview that updates as you change different aspects of your book, allowing you to see real-time cost implications. Think of it as a way to get a quick financial overview before you commit to printing. Understanding the factors that affect your print cost is crucial. The three primary elements are your book's page count, trim size, and ink type. The page count is quite straightforward. More pages mean higher costs. Trim size refers to the dimensions of your book. Common sizes like 5.5 is 8.5 inches or 6 by 9 inches can impact pricing differently. Finally, the ink type, whether you're printing in black and white or opting for color, can significantly drive up production costs. Color printing, in particular, tends to be pricier, so it's something to consider carefully based on your book's design and audience needs. Now that you have these insights, it's time to factor the print cost into your list price. This is where you bring together all the information you've gathered to set a retail price that not only covers your costs, but also provides you with a sustainable profit margin. It's important to strike a balance here. If your book is priced too high, it might deter potential buyers, but if it's too low, you risk not making enough from each sale. Use the pricing preview tool to simulate different scenarios and find just the right price point. By following these steps, you're setting a foundation for smart, financially informed publishing decisions. Remember, understanding your print costs isn't just about numbers. It's about making your book as accessible as possible while ensuring it remains a viable source of income. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on understanding print costs on KDP. I hope this has clarified how vital these considerations are in your publishing journey. Follow these guidelines